Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Gabi. On today's video, I'm gonna make hake with prawn sauce. All the ingredients I'm gonna leave on the description box. Let's get started. First of all, I'm gonna cook the hake. I'm gonna pour corn oil, the hake, cooking salt, grill, and set aside. Now I'm gonna use the same frying pan to make the sauce. I'm gonna pour olive oil, crushed garlic clove, chopped onions, chopped, peeled and seedless tomatoes, and cooking salt. I'm gonna place the prawns, adjust the salt, add chopped green onions, chopped parsley, and mix together. Well guys, I hope you have enjoyed this video and see you on the next one. See you later. Bye!